at a gas station in Wendover, Nevada, filling up. There's my cutie pie, doing all the hard work. We have a really long, boring drive ahead of us to Winnemucca. So we left Provo a little earlier today, stopped in Salt Lake for lunch at the Cheesecake Factory for Ted because he didn't get to really celebrate Father's Day yesterday. So we did that, and now we're back on the road, and we're going to be on the road probably for about 6 hours. And look at that little escape pod trailer. That is so cool. Look at that. I wonder if we could tow that. Anyway, 6 hours ahead of driving today, and it's going to be a pretty dull drive, so I don't think there's going to be a lot of footage today, but we'll see. Here we go. Here's Utah. No gambling. Nevada. Gambling. We've been on the road for about 4 hours now, and what do you do when you're on the road for so many hours? Well, fortunately we've had internet. So we've been listening to motivational videos or how to be better at sales videos, news and events, and sometimes we just snooze. I don't when I'm driving, but you know, Ted does. So it's kind of fun. Sometimes we get into some really good conversations, and then sometimes it's just mind-numbingly boring. So we do try to stop seems like every hour and a half or so we stop somewhere. Like right now we're at a rest stop just past, I don't know, just past Carlin on the way to Battle Mountain. So it's good to get out and stretch your legs, go to the bathroom, get a snack if they have vending machines and all that. So yeah, that's kind of how we break it up.
If you want to get even more tricky or sneaky, then what you can do is you can use some of the apps which allow you to get fake calls on demand.
Study print ads where you have very little space. I think those are all very, very effective.
They have swore up and down that they have given us everything that's pertinent to our investigation.
Okay, so we're sitting here at a Long John Silver's / KFC having a fancy road trip dinner here in Winnemucca, and we've decided to drive another 2.5 hours to Reno to stay at the Grand Sierra Resort, which is cheaper than what it would cost to stay at a Best Western here. So we figured that's a better trade-off. So the more we drive today, the less we have to drive tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be getting up and going on into the Bay Area to stay with Ted's sister. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I don't think tonight's dinner was so good for my cholesterol, but you know, it's a road trip.